Let me teach you how you can hide the text behind the moving objects using CapCut. Open your CapCut on your phone and click on New Project. Import your saved stock video to your timeline and click on Text to add your favorite text to your video. I'm going to be using car. Then you choose your style and adjust the size. Then you can choose your favorite font after that. If you have a style that you already save on your phone, you can choose it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Tenada. You go back to your style and you click on shadow. A little bit, you add a blend to it. You can put it to around 39. Make sure you align your text to the end of the video to get it correctly. Then you click on tracking and put the tracking above the text a little bit, so it will show your text moving along with the car. Allow the tracking to load, depends on your internet. Then you play your video from the beginning to check if everything is okay. Once you are satisfied with that, you click on text and choose animation. You need to add your animation to your text. That means your out animation. Click on out and add your text and add your animation to it. So I'll be adding glitch to the text. Then I'm going to check if it is okay. You click on export and make sure you always export your video in 4K so you can get a good quality. You go back to your project, you click on new project, you import your exported project, then you click on overlay, bring the project without the text and add it to your timeline. Make sure you expand it to fit your screen. Once you've done that, you go to remove BG, click on custom remover and choose brush, and you adjust it to about 26. Then use the brush to color the image from your video, which is the car. Manage to erase it and let your hand straight so you can capture all the car from the video. Once you are able to paint the car, you made a mistake, you can still come back and erase the part that is still showing in your video. But your hand is very straight, you don't need to come back, you can only do it on a go. Once you do it perfectly, it's going to remove the background perfectly. So once you're done with that, you allow the video to process itself, depends on your connection. Then you click on check and it's going to apply the custom remover to your video. Allow it to be done, then click on check and you play back your video to check if the remove background is working very well on it. If you are satisfied with it, just click on export and export your video in 4K. Now let's see how the video is going to look now. Let me show you how you can achieve a text behind. I've already done that. Click on the link above if you have not watched my previous video about it. It's very simple, but this is another method you can use. So let's dive into it. First thing you need to do is to go to your CapCut and open a new project. Import your stock video you want to use and click on add text. Add the text you want to use for your project. I'm adding first step for this purpose of this project. Then you go to your font and choose your favorite font. So I'm using Tenada. Go back to your style and choose your color. So I'm choosing a color by aligning the boy cloth to get the color. Then I add my shadow, then I adjust the blur and the opacity to like 85. In the distance I reduce it a little bit to align the text in the middle of the video. Then next you click on your animation and you choose your in and out animation. you choose a variable in and out animation you want for your video. Once you're done with that, make sure you align the text to the end of your stock video. And once it's that, you click on export. You export your video in 4K for you to get a good quality. So allow the video to load. It depends on your internet. CapCut is working on internet, so it depends on how your internet is fast. Click on new projects, import your project with the text, and click on overlay and bring the original project without the text to your timeline. Then make sure you adjust it to fit the screen. Then click on remove BG and click on auto remover, then click on check. Allow it to load for it to apply the remove background to your video. Then you export your video, and make sure always export your video in 4K. Let's see how it's going to look like after editing. Let me show you how you can get a B-roll for your video. You need a stock video for your B-roll, so go to pixels.com and click on sign in and sign in with your Gmail account, or you can download it to your mobile phone through App Store or Play Store. Once you sign in, you go to search button and search for your preferable content you want to use. So for the purpose of this content, I'm going to be searching for sports car. Then you click on video and you go to filter your video to landscape, because you need 16:9 ratio for your YouTube video. Once you will now look for a video that you prefer to use for your B-roll, and you click on it and download it to your mobile phone. If you have watched this video to the end, kindly subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Signing out.